In this quick video, I am going to show you how to hide peoples and pages you follow on Facebook. Okay, first open your Facebook app. Yeah, on old version of Facebook app, you can see the three horizontal lines on the bottom. On the new version, you can see the menu option. Just click that. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Now again tap this Settings. Now you can see this option Privacy Checkup. Just click that. Now you will see this option Who can see what you share. Just open this. Continue. Yeah. Now scroll down to the end. Yes. On the bottom you can see this option Who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Just click here. And here you can choose any of these options. In default it will be on public. You can share this option to friends or friends accept or specific friends or only me. For now I choose only me. Yeah, now it's changed. Then click next, next, next. Review another topic. That's it. Now it's completely changed. Yeah, this is how you can hide your people and pages you follow on Facebook using your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.